Okay, hi guys. So here is a short video ng first time kong paggamit ng isang espresso machine. So, I know some of you guys, I have friends here in Facebook or Instagram na very rich, so this is not your first time. So I guess this video is not for you. But for the sake of entertainment, gusto ko lang ipakita na hindi naman nangangain ng tanga, I guess. Hopefully hindi. Hindi nangangain ng tanga ang machine na to. It's an espresso machine, a mini Nespresso machine. Now, the first thing I have to do, of course, is to put water here. I have to make sure na may laman yan, of course. Hindi ko nga lang alam how much water you have to put in. But what I did was, nilagyan ko lang ng usual na dami ng coffee ko sa cup. Now, the first thing I did after I put the water, I pressed on these buttons. I guess this one means short, this means long. And it was blinking initially. The moment it stops blinking, yun na yung time na it means it's ready. And you gotta put one of this, I don't know how it's called. I don't know. Basta, open natin siya. And, ngayon kong napansin na may nakasulat dun. So, I guess that's what it's called. It is an espresso capsule. Let's put it in there. Huwag nyo nang i-press or what. Just put it in. And then, close. Oh, medyo matigas. Close it. Alright. And I guess, I have to put my cup. Siyempre, ano nga namang sabihin ko yan. And you gotta press one of these buttons. I guess, short na lang tayo for the sake of this video para hindi masyadong mahaba. And let's see what it does. Oh, there you go. Medyo nakakatakot po yung sounds. Oh my God. So, medyo mabagal, no? So, para dun sa mga kapin-kape na, I don't think this is the machine for you. Mas mabuti na magpainit kayo ng tubig sa microwave ng 30 seconds. And then, lagyan nyo ng 3-in-1 coffee. Oh, actually, mabilis lang pala siya, oh. And you can notice, nakukunti lang yung water. I mean, yeah, nakukunti lang siya. Now, the question is, I'm not sure if you're supposed to put sugar or milk or whatever here. Pero, if you take a look, wait lang, medyo nagdidrip pa ng very light. Sayang, every drip counts. But since money is not an issue, I guess, kaya na natin yan. Oh my God, may basag pala nung tasa na to. Anywhere tuloy. Anyway, if you notice, it looks like black coffee siya, no? Or whatsoever, like literal na brewed thing. Let me smell. Oh my God, sobrang tapang. Para siyang kailangan talaga dyan ng matinding sugar and cream. The problem is, I don't have sugar or cream right now. I only have salt. Okay, whatever. I'll see what I can do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!